Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am KathyBudgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebie down below so you can grab it. Today I wanted to work on some of my savings challenges, and we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 bucks that we are working with today. I was thinking about getting change, but I'm not certain that I want to. I don't think so. I think we're just going to do these spicy today. Now, these are all freebies that I've gotten along the way, and I will let you know where I got them from once we complete these rolling the dice. Let me grab my dice. Okay, I had to go digging to find my dice. So we're going to roll the dice. I have 6 envelopes. I believe one of my savings challenges were completed. I'm not 100% certain on that, but let me double check. Oh no, we just filled it back up, didn't we? Okay, so here we go. 4. That was a bad roll, but we're going with it. 4, okay, cut it out 4. 6, 2, 2, 6, 1, 6, completed. All right, so the spices always go really fast, which I'm okay with. I would like to, you know, have a longer video, but it's okay for me to sometimes have these little quick bursts of videos for us to enjoy and see the progress. So this savings challenge is from Moet's Money, Money Boss in the Making, and it's also Boop and Budgets, promoted by Boop and Budgets. So I mentioned before that it says each chocolate is supposed to be $2, but I'm doing 1. So let me try to find a... Okay, so we're going to mark off 5 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! And it's so cute. So I did not want February to pass me by and not use this savings challenge. So I have a plan for what I want my March savings challenges to look like. So hopefully we can get moving on those. Okay, so this savings challenge is from Budgeting Student. We're adding $10. Each trio of hearts is $10. So I think what we're going to go ahead, or each trio of hearts is $1. We're adding 10. So let's take care of 10 trios. I'm going to try to speed through this. $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10. Perfect. All right, this next savings challenge is not getting any money today, but it's from the Dramatic Panda. And this one has $2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. All right, and we're adding $10 to our next savings challenge from the Chatty KathyBudgets. So let's go ahead and color in 10 of these. Perfect. Try to make sure it dries a little bit. I think that one was a wet erase marker. All right, this next savings challenge is from SNCBUDGETCREATIONS. It is linked down below in our Google Drive. It's not getting anything today, but it does have $2. And then we're adding 5, 10, 15 bucks to our Black History Month savings challenge from SNCBUDGETS. So let's see, needed a red. 15, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Yay, perfect. So I got this as a freebie as well. All right, so we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17 bucks, $17 already. Such great progress. I love it when that happens. All right, I mean, that's it, you guys. We've gone ahead and stuffed our freebies savings challenges. You will see me tomorrow for my high priority cash stuffing. So I look forward to having that with you. And then I do have some other savings challenge videos coming up next week. So yeah, we'll just be in touch, you guys. I cannot believe this is going the way that it is, where I'm cash stuffing every single day. And the truth of the matter is, I could do one video or two videos and split it, and not split it up, but I like having more content. And then also I find that with my videos, the really long ones, people tend to click off, and you know, there's other people to watch and all of that. However, I figure if I make a short video and you can come back and spend a few minutes with me each day, I'd rather do that than try to have you spend an hour or two with me in one day. So anyway, that's what my plan of action is, to keep going as long as I can. And then once I can, or if I mean, like I mentioned before, this may be a thing where my finances are in a good spot where I can continue on cash stuffing. So even like the money that I give myself each week to spend, I've been leaving it at home in hopes that I don't need it for anything, and then that way I can put it with my money for my savings and just keep doing that as well. And then any other way I can come up with money. I want to thank each and every one of you so much for coming back again. It's been truly incredible to see the interaction with you all. I appreciate you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.